Happy Friday, my loves. I am so excited for the weekend. Do you guys have any fun plans? I'm really feeling this Friday outfit with the cute pink sleeves and the little dress. This is from Walmart. This one is from Nordstrom Rack. This is an Amazon poncho. I can link for you guys. And then my tights are like Danskin. I'm obsessed with Danskin brand. Tights, pajamas, make me feel like a ballerina. And then I have my cozy Target socks folded over. They're just boot socks. And then my Converse high heels, which are my dream shoes. And I need way more colors. I can't wait to see you guys this weekend. Have a good day.